Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the Takstar SGC 5984. This is a recording microphone that you can put onto the hot shoe mount of your camera. Or in my case, I'll be putting it on this hot shoe adapter, which I could then mount to my tripod because I don't have a camera that has a hot shoe mount. So I'm going to be using this microphone to put onto my adapter, and then I could use my adapter, my light, and my camera, or maybe adapter, light, and a cell phone, or whatever. Anyway, let's put that aside. Let's open the box. Alright. Seems like this microphone was... Oh, okay. We have English over here. I was just about to complain about all the Chinese writing. The only thing that's English is the name. Yep. Alright, enough of that. Let's open the package. And alright, we have a microfiber cloth. We have a carrying case. This is velvet. I guess the texture doesn't really matter. It's not really that important because this is a microphone we're carrying. It's not like a lens or a ND filter or something. But it's velvet, but it feels like the rougher velvet. Yeah. Kinda rough. Alright, we have some documentation. This is a product qualified certificate, not sure. Okay, so they give you something that says that it has been inspected, but it doesn't say who the inspector was or the date. So this is pretty useless actually. Instructions, not in English. Does this open up big? Oh yeah. Let's put this down. Right. See? Okay, so there is some English here. Backside. No English on the backside. Alright. I'll be keeping that. More Chinese writing. I think I'm just gonna dump the stuff with the Chinese writing on it. And what is this? No idea. Alright, that's been about 3 minutes now, so let's get into the microphone. A foam cover, and ta-da! There we have it. Let's see, this is... Okay, this is the shock absorbers. Let's see. You can see them here. It's to isolate the microphone from the carrying, from the part that attaches to the camera. This is to reduce vibration from the camera. So if you're like tapping on the camera, or if you hit the camera by accident, the microphone will not pick that up. So I'm going to tap this camera. You hear how sharp and annoying that is. These vibration mounts, they aim to reduce that by isolating the microphone from the part that attaches to the camera. Alright, and I guess that's it for the box. Oh, okay. So these are extra vibration mounts because, as you can see here, like here, these four and these four, the microphone already has vibration mounts attached to it, so that's kind of cool. And they come with extras, so I'm gonna put that away. Cool. Alright, and let's look at the underside of this thing. Nope. Dang. I was kind of hoping that the underside here was a tripod mount, but the hole for this is too big for a tripod mount. So I guess I can only use the microphone in my hot shoe adapter. Let's see. Oh, if you're interested, okay, so if you're interested in this hot shoe adapter, if you want to mount like your light and your microphone at the same time, you should get a hot shoe adapter. If you're interested in this particular hot shoe adapter, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. Oh, yeah, this was important. Undo the tightening. Okay, so it does have an arrow to see how to push it in, but it doesn't seem to be going in snug. Anyway, microphone. Does it come with AA batteries? No, it doesn't. Alright, so I'm going to cut real quick, then we'll come back when I have a AA battery to put in. Alright, so I got myself a AA battery. Very nice. And you guys are definitely going to get an issue reinstalling the battery cover. So the battery cover has a little like a sleeve or something. I don't know what you call it. If the camera would focus, has a little sleeve in here, and it has to go under this thing up here. Let's see if I could zoom in a bit. Focus, man. Oh, this is horrible. I need a DSLR. Yeah, anyway, so you guys would most likely be trying to put it in like this, and it will not work. So what you need to do when you're reinstalling the batteries, you need to put it all the way at the back here. Place it like this and slide it in. When this thing at the back here catches with the sleeve or whatever this is called, you will feel it kind of stay, and then you can just push it all the way back in. Okay. For the triple hot shoe mount, this microphone will not fit in the middle here because of this ring. This is the ring you use to tighten the camera, the microphone down to the hot shoe mount, so that if you tilt your camera up, the microphone wouldn't come sliding down the back. So this is what you use to keep that in check. The ring. The ring prevents it from being in here. And for some strange reason, I can't get the microphone onto this top hot shoe mount. Doesn't really bother me much, but I just thought that was something of note, of concern, to let you guys know. Okay, so ta-da, and green light. Green light indicates that it's on and it's working good. Now for a voice test. Okay, the camera I'm using right now does not have a 3.5mm microphone jack, so I'm going to use my phone, the voice recorder app on my phone, and we're gonna do some audio tests. Alright, this is the audio test, blah 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 blah. Record without, let's put it to SD storage. Alright, and this is an audio test of the, well, I guess my phone. This is without the Takstar SGC 5980, whatever it's called. Yeah. Stop. And okay, the microphone is on. Oops, I got an email. Phone is on. Time to plug it into the phone. Alright, and I'm going to point it to myself, and hopefully the microphone will pick up my voice and it will isolate any other background noise. So let's get that going. Alright, so when I did the recording just now with the phone and the microphone, it did not work. I just got a lot of static. I'm guessing because it needed to be adapted. So I got a adapter. This is an audio splitter. This is for laptops. So if you have a combo jack on a laptop, you can use this. This splits your audio into microphone and headphones. Let's see. See, there's a headphone, and then over here it has a symbol for microphone. You see? So yeah, and I plugged it in and I was recording just now. So let's do a live recording of this. So push play. I'm trying to sort this out. Look at the microphone icon on the phone. Alright, microphone test. This is the audio coming out of the Takstar SGC 598. And this is the audio coming out of my camera, which I'm holding in my hand and I'm sitting behind. And wow, my skin actually looks really nice on the camera. I am not ashy. I am not ashy at all. This is amazing. And I'm just going to go ahead and switch the audio back and forth and see how we do. But yeah, hopefully the audio will sound good, and I'll use this to record my flight sim videos and stuff from my computer. I'm going to do that after I install some audio drivers, but yeah. Alright, now for the real ending. Thanks for watching. Links to the microphone, the adapter, this audio splitter if you guys want to use this with a cell phone, and link also to the V-mount bracket. Again, you can't mount the microphone on the middle one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Cut audio, and on the microphone, cut on the camera, sorry, cut audio. Yeet.